Hey guys, my name is Chris and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you that I use all the time, especially when the weather gets a bit cold and you're feeling like you want some comfort food. I call it the creamy tomato coconut fish. And as you can see, all of the ingredients are up here, so let's just get to it.
First, slice your lemon. I like to use a fork to get all of the juice from the lemon. So just like ride your fork through the lemon and then douse your fish pieces with the lemon juice and let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then slice your onions. I like to use my onion mincer just because I don't like mincing. I don't like cutting the onions with my hands. The smell afterwards is just horrible. So I use this mincer. But if you don't have one, you can still do it the manual way. Just make sure you slice your onions thin so they can cook down. After that, get your garlic, smash to get all of the skin out, or at least most of it. I like to also slice my garlic very randomly. I don't like very finely sliced garlic, just nice and rough. If you do have minced garlic that you can get from the store, use that. Next, for your cherry tomatoes, slice them in half. I know there's an easier way to do this, but I like doing it one by one. It's just very therapeutic. I'll then go in with about 3 tablespoons of oil, put that in a hot pan, and then I'm going to sear my fish slices just to get them nice and brown. Don't forget to add the pepper and the salt. So once the fish is brown, I will take them out, let them cool a bit, and slice them into smaller pieces. I will then set these pieces aside to use later once I've made my sauce. Again, in my pan, I'll add in a bit of oil, about 2 teaspoons or tablespoons. Then I'll put in my minced onion. Let that fry up a bit until it turns golden brown. And then I'll add in some salt to taste. I honestly think salt is a spice, so it's always good to add it with your onion. After the onion is ready, I'm going to throw in the garlic. Mix that up as well. Let that fry for a bit. Then I'll toss in my tomatoes. I love the vibrant color they have. I prefer to use the cherry tomatoes for this as opposed to normal onions just because of the bright red. I'll add a bit of water and let them simmer to break down the tomatoes. After that's done, I'll come in with my coconut cream. For this recipe, I used 3 of these small packs. I prefer the small packs just because I can use one individually and I don't have to think of storing an open pack. But you can use the one in the tin, whatever your preference is. So mix it in and let it all simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then I'll go in with my cayenne pepper, about half a teaspoon. I'll also add garam masala, another half a teaspoon. And then I'll come in with my magic sauce, which is the Worcester. A couple of dabs of this. I use Worcester for everything. And then I'll stir everything up. Let it simmer for about a minute or so. Then I'll put in my sliced fish from before. After this, you'll want to gently stir the fish into the sauce. If your sauce is too thick, you can add some coconut milk to try and loosen it up, or some water will do. Now our coconut tomato fish is ready and it looks so good, guys. So I opted to have mine with rice and some stir-fry veg. But first, you have to do a taste test. When you cook something, you always have to taste it before you offer it to anybody. So let's see how this tastes. It smells so good already. That's so good. Oh goodness, this is so nice, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you've tried it before, maybe in a different way, let me know in the comments. When you do try it, also let me know how it turns out. I would really like to hear your feedback and what you guys thought of the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll see you next time.